So here's the BYD Sea Lion 7. So I think it's priced at 2.6 million. And we can't look at it. Nakabalot siya. Heavily guarded yung Sea Lion 7. But it looks really, really nice. But unfortunately, I think BYD is priced very, very high for me. Pero yeah, established brand, backed by Ayala. Here's the Atto 2. I've heard it's 1.2, 1.3 million for the Atto 2. Hindi rin pwedeng i-check. But it's really nice yung Atto 2. Let's look from here. Very cute, very sporty. For 1.2, 1.3, ganda na siya. Mababa. Para siyang Mini Cooper. For me, para siyang Mini Cooper eh. Yung design, parang lang. So, it's really cute for me. The BYD Atto 2. Okay. So, I'm pretty sure this is full EV. It's really nice. Yeah. Here's the EV. All-wheel drive pala to na Sea Lion 7. So, here's the back part ng Sea Lion 7. So, sabi nila, 2.5, 2.6 million. Ganda. Ganda sana ng ganito. Pero hindi natin afford. Sayang.